So here we are doing a battery on this ML Mercedes. And as you can see, the battery lives here underneath the passenger seat in the floor. There are two 13mm nuts and a tab here in the back that hold this thing down in the floor. So you take out these two 13s. Get your hand caught up. Loosen your 10mm nut that holds the ground cable down. Take out your vent tube. Reach under here and take out your positive side. And make sure your cables aren't touching when you're doing this positive side, because there's some metal in here that you can actually touch. So go ahead and take those loose. And get your battery out. Now this one's old enough that it doesn't have the little sensor on the negative cable, so we don't got to worry about adapting the battery on this particular car. When you pull these out, if you see a little black box on top of the negative cable, then you can guarantee that it is going to need the battery adapted to the car. Now this, because of its location, can be quite difficult to get in and out. So when you're ready to pull these out, make sure you're filling up to it, because it's not easy. Now there's also a little auxiliary battery that lives down in here beside the main battery. However, we're not doing that on this one. So we have our new battery right here, proper orientation and everything. So we're going to go ahead and lift up this carpet, get the battery aimed in its hole, slide it in, make sure it falls in its groove. Take our hold down tab and slide it back in, and then put the two nuts back on. And then once those are in, then we'll put the positive cable on at the front, and then the negative cable on at the back, and that battery installation will be completed. Now, I still will go in with a scan tool and do some resets after everything. So there's one. We'll get this cable out of the way and go in here and get the other one. This is where having those magnetic sockets would be a huge blessing to you, to have to deal with having to reach in here. So this would have been way better if they'd have done what Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche did, and put a bolt with a really long shank on it. You know, that's stuck way up here so you can reach it. I'm pretty sure the Germans that made this aren't known for having little bitty hands. Okay, finally got that thing started. So now we'll go in here with my long wrench and socket, long bracket and socket. Tighten that down. Tighten that one down. Go ahead and put our vent pipe back in. Reach in here and tighten down the positive cable on its post. And once we have the positive cable in, then we can put the negative cable back on and go ahead and tighten that one down, and then this portion is done. Well, mostly. We've still got to slide this piece in. I didn't take these out, so I don't know exactly where it's supposed to go. When you don't take something out yourself, sometimes it can be a bit of a pain. So that goes there. This sits there. And then we're finished.